Hello and mabuhay Namsuans! Welcome to Namsubis League. Today, I will be interviewing my fellow Namsuans on their examination and what they are feeling to the announcement of the academic freeze. Hello Namsuans, we have here the USG President of Namsubis League. Please introduce yourself.
Hello, Namsuans. My name is Jasper, and currently I am your USD president, and of course, a fourth year education student. That's it.
And since you are an intern, how was your week as an intern?
Siguro in general, we can say two words siguro to describe our experience. First, kapoy, di yun na siya mawala because it is part of our job, di ba? Especially when we're going to teach the classroom management and everything from preparations down to the actual teaching itself. It's very tiring, and there are a lot of circumstances po. And then the preparations gasto kaayo, especially nga we are tasked or required yun to have 25 demonstrations this semester. And then siguro there are factors pa gyud personally and financially, and of course tanan nga mga underlying nga nakapa-influence ana.
Thank you. Like, more gasto gyud mag-education student. Next question is, are you aware of the academic freeze?
Yes, I am aware of the academic freeze. Unfortunately, wala mi labot ng mga mag-OGT.
Since wala mo ilabot, and the next question is, how are you going to celebrate your Holy Week?
Okay. Since wala mi labot sa academic freeze, however, there are days naman po in the Holy Week nga wala gyud klase, considered holidays. Siguro first is to reflect of course of the essence of the Holy Week. And then secondly is siguro if we can find time with our family, especially nga kanang bonding by nana. Especially that na recent event nga nahitabo sa among family nga dili po siya maayo, and then it's really frustrating and emotionally draining, pero siguro we will find something meaningful nga mahitabo sa Holy Week. That's it.
And thank you, Press Jasper, and continue striving in life, even though if there are challenges. Thank you, Press.
Concerning associate and the school and shall not the people to anyone which has not been officially released or removed records from files without permission.
Normal things in our classroom.
Chica time!
They just did. What are you doing, guys?
Hi, we are now in the library. We are studying with my circle.
Hello, Namsuans. We have here the part-time instructor of the education department. Please introduce yourself, ma'am.
Hello, good afternoon. I'm Regine Mantilia.
Good afternoon, Ma'am Regine. How was your preparation for the midterm examination of your students?
Well, for me, I have a simple preparation because I only have one subject, which is Rizal. And yeah, simple na siya kayo.
Unta na ingana po na mi mga students, ma'am, ingana po ka simple. Then next question, ma'am, are you aware of the academic freeze?
Yes, I'm fully aware of the academic freeze because the memo was sent on RGC.
Miss Regine is fully aware. And how are you going to maximize, or what is your initial plan for the academic freeze?
Part-timers are it was stated in the memorandum that part-timers are kanang work from home. So kami diri I also have kanang kuan na akong contract as extension assistant. I have to work here and also na kanang mga asa na mga paperworks, I have to kanang check papers, mga answer sheets, maura nga ako ang utilize for that kanang academic freeze.
Oh my God, I feel your academic freeze is very productive kayo, good ma'am. Unta na nga nasab mi as students. Thank you, Miss Regine, for your time.
Hi guys, we're done with our first period and now Alexis and Eliza is preparing for the second period.
Hello guys, we have here a gorgeous lady. Please introduce yourself.
So, I am Argel Idoran from BSED 1A, first year.
We have here Argel Duran from BSED 1A. How was your last day of the examination?
So, it was quite difficult, no, since koan major subject jud na mo ang amo last examination. So, naglisod jud ko and lisod jud siya.
I feel yung nga lisod good ang mga majors sa education department. Next question we have, are you aware of the announcement of the academic freeze?
Yes, I am aware jud since koan gi-announce man siya sa official page sa NEMSU. So, yes.
Miss Argel is very aware now. Since you're aware with the academic freeze, what will be your initial plan for the upcoming academic freeze?
So, I plan to rest na lang sa ako-akoan physical body o sa ako mind since grabe jud ko ka-stress karon sa exam and mao tong mag-enjoy na lang ko basig mag-plan ko og vacation with my family and then mao to.
Pwede ko mapan sa iyo vacation, Miss Argel. So, thank you for your time, Miss Argel, and rest well for the upcoming academic freeze. And now, Namsuans, we have here our second student, which is from,
BSE.
and introduce your name, please.
So, hello, my name is Great Criser M. Gomez.
We have here Miss Great Grizar Gomez. And how was your last day of the examination?
It was actually fine since mahumanay naman kabalo na humana mo exam so mas feel relaxed na mi.
I feel you sab nga mas feel relaxed basta mahuman na ang exam. Now is, are you aware of the academic freeze?
Yes, katong niagi pa nga like Monday mangguro.
Since you are aware of the academic freeze, what is your initial plan for the upcoming academic freeze?
So probably enjoy the Holy Week together with my family and siguro study gihapon.
And thank you, Miss Great, and enjoy your Holy Week and also your academic freeze. Thank you. This has been Emil John Alvor, and enjoy the rest of the week.